At Katahdin Valley Health Center, our mission is to aid you in removing barriers you may be facing in obtaining health care because we are committed to providing you and your family an easily accessible medical and dental home. If you qualify for this discount program, you can pay as little as $10 per medical visit, $15 per dental visit, and receive a discount on your KVHC pharmacy prescriptions. To get started, just pick up an application at any of our health centers, or you can download an application from our website or from your KVHC patient portal. The sliding fee discount is based upon household size and household income. To apply for the sliding fee discount, you will need 2 forms of documentation of income for each adult in the household. If you filed a federal tax return, just provide a signed copy with the W-2s attached and a second proof of income for each adult in the household. If you don't file taxes, we would need 2 forms of documentation for each adult. Some examples are employment pay stubs for the last month, Social Security benefit statement, an unemployment statement, or a TANF statement. If you have any questions or need further assistance with the forms, please reach out to a member of our team during your visit today or ask your provider for assistance.